Good morning guys, my name is Christian Icon Omanegas and a grade 12 student, and I'm currently studying at Cipriano P. Vinicius National High School. I am very grateful for this opportunity to speak in front of you and to be part of this gathering. Like many of you, I have dreams and goals, and I continue to work hard for each day. I believe that education, respect, and perseverance are keys to success, not only for myself, but also for all of us. Each one of us has unique talents, and by sharing these, we can inspire and support one another. As I stand here, I look forward to learning more, building new friendships, and contributing in my own way to our community. I hope that my presence today reflects my willingness to grow, to serve, and to make a difference. Once again, thank you for this chance to introduce myself.